All right, neighbor, here we are. All right, we already made a duplicate for this lock. Now we're going to make one for the house key. So, kind of the same thing. I'm going to put this here. Line it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. And this is a quick set brand key. So okay, and what I'm doing right now is I'm verifying that this is touching that, where it's touching this, so they're both in the same position. And let's get started. Let's see it cut. All right. It looks like we have success. We're going to check. And this is actually for my mother's house, so I can't test it out now. But I will let you know how it goes. And we're going to check confirmation. Yeah, exact match. Actually, just need, look,